Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fish fry without oil. We'll explore several fantastic methods to achieve that perfect crispy texture and delicious flavor, all while keeping things healthy. You'll learn about air frying, baking, and even pan-searing with just a tiny bit of non-stick spray. Get ready to enjoy your favorite fish dishes guilt-free and with incredible taste. Air frying is a fantastic way to get super crispy fish without a drop of oil. First, preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly mist your fish fillets with a non-stick cooking spray for a golden finish. Cook them for about 12 to 15 minutes, making sure to flip them halfway through. Always check that the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit for safety and perfect doneness. Baking is another excellent oil-free method for delicious fish. Start by preheating your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange your fish fillets on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper for easy release. Bake for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Cooking time varies with the thickness of your fish. For extra crispiness, consider a light, seasoned breading applied dry before baking. You can even pan-sear fish without oil using the right technique. A high-quality non-stick pan is essential here. Heat your pan over medium-high heat until it's nice and hot. Sear your fish for about 3 to 5 minutes per side until it develops a beautiful golden crust. For a slightly different approach, a tiny splash of water can create steam, helping the fish cook through while staying moist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.